Turning $100 into $10,000 is an ambitious goal that requires strategic planning, patience, and consistent effort. While it's not a guaranteed outcome, many have achieved significant financial growth by employing disciplined approaches. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you embark on this journey. Embrace the power of compound interest. Compound interest is the process where your investment earns interest, and then that interest earns interest on itself. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth. Start early. The sooner you invest, the more time your money has to grow. Reinvest. Earnings. Instead of withdrawing profits, reinvest them to maximize growth. Consistent contributions. Even small, regular additions to your investment can significantly impact the outcome. Example: investing $100 with a 10% annual return and adding $50 monthly can grow to over $10,000 in approximately 5 years. Ever wondered how to make your money work for you? Let's dive into stock market investments. First up, index funds. These track market indices, like the S&P 500, offering diversification and lower risk. Next, dividend stocks. Invest in companies that pay regular dividends, providing a steady income stream. Then there's dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly to reduce the impact of market volatility. Remember, research companies thoroughly before investing. Be prepared for market fluctuations and maintain a long-term perspective. For a safer option, consider high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit. These offer safety with FDIC-insured accounts and predictable returns with fixed interest rates. So, whether you're going aggressive or playing it safe, make informed decisions. Start your investment journey today and watch your wealth grow. Ever thought about turning $100 into a thriving side hustle? Here's how you can start small and dream big. Step 1. Identify your skills. Can you write, design, or code? Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are your new best friends. Step 2. Consider e-commerce. Got a knack for crafts? Etsy or eBay could be your marketplace. Step 3. Digital products are hot. Think ebooks or online courses. Find a niche market with demand and dive in. Success tip: invest in marketing to reach your audience. And always improve based on feedback. Remember, personal development is key. Online courses and certifications can boost your skills. Books are a treasure trove of knowledge and strategies. So are you ready to transform that 100 into something big? Start today and watch your side hustle grow. Ever thought about becoming a lender? Participate in peer-to-peer lending and watch your money grow. P2P platforms let you lend to individuals or small businesses for interest. Advantage number 1. Higher returns. Earn more than traditional savings accounts. Advantage number 2. Diversification. Spread your investment across multiple loans. But remember, there are risks. Borrower default can lead to losses. Economic downturns may increase default rates. So, what's the best approach? Research platforms thoroughly before investing. Start with small amounts to understand the process. And don't forget to maximize your spending with cashback and rewards programs. Use apps like Rakuten or Honey for cashback on online purchases. Select credit cards that offer cashback or points for spending. Join store loyalty programs for discounts and rewards. Ready to make your money work for you? Cryptocurrency investments can be a thrilling ride, offering high-risk, high-reward opportunities. With the right research and strategy, you can potentially grow your investment significantly. Start small by investing a portion of your $100 to manage risk effectively. Dive into research to understand the technology and market trends before making any moves. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your funds into one cryptocurrency. Remember, the crypto market is highly volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. On the budgeting side, effective budgeting can free up additional funds to invest or save. Track your spending using apps or spreadsheets to monitor your expenses closely. Identify areas where you can cut unnecessary expenses and redirect those funds to investments. Set clear financial goals to keep yourself motivated on your journey to 10,000. In today's fast-paced world, staying informed and adaptable is crucial. especially in the ever-evolving financial landscape. By keeping up with financial news, you can stay ahead of market trends and economic indicators. Engaging with online forums or local investment groups can provide valuable insights and support. Continuous learning is key. Regularly seek out new knowledge and strategies to enhance your financial acumen. Being informed empowers you to make educated decisions, increasing your chances of success. Turning $100 into $10,000 is challenging but achievable with the right mindset and strategies. By combining disciplined investing, continuous learning, and proactive financial management, you can achieve significant financial growth. Remember, consistency and patience are key to reaching your financial goals.